So question 9, again we're just substituting tan theta and tan theta on 2 in, and then collecting our terms, getting a common denominator, and then being able to see that we can do some cancellation here, and we get a minus t plus 2t, gives us the 1 plus t squared on 1 minus t squared. 10 I haven't actually done here, but it should come down to t squared. So I've left 10, 11, and 12 there. You can have a look and see what the answer should be. Leave it for you to go through and work that out. So it's just an algebraic manipulation that you need to do to get down to those answers. And 13 is the same as well. So do the algebraic manipulation, get down to that solution. 14 though, we're solving an equation here. So again, we're going to use tan theta on 2 as t, solve for t in this equation, and then you're able to see what the angles would be. 12 tan theta is equal to 5, so tan theta is equal to 5 on 12. So if we solve, we can use this equation, solve it for t first, and then get back to solving it for theta on 2. So tan theta, 2t on 1 minus t squared, we multiply by the denominators on both sides, gives us this expression, the 5 minus 5t, and then equal to 24t. If we take it across and then solve that quadratic, we get t is 1/5, or t is equal to minus 5. So if we have a look at what angles are going to work for this one, we get tan of theta on 2 is 1/5. So we can see that we're going to get theta on 2 being equal to 11 degrees when we solve for that. And then theta would be approximately equal to 22. And we can't take that as a solution in this case because we're told that theta's got to be between 180 and 270. So what we've got to look at there is when we're in tan of theta on 2 being minus 5, we get a theta on 2 is minus 78, or theta then would approximately be minus 157, which is going to be in the third quadrant. Well, minus 157, if you remember, would be going back into the third quadrant. So giving it as an angle between 180 and 270, we'd subtract that from 360, and that gives us the 203, which means it's actually 203 degrees that way. So, and that would be our answer, because that's the actual value between 180 and 270 in the third quadrant. Minus 157 would work as well, but that's the angle we need to give between 180 and 270. So there's how we can start to solve equations with the t formula. We'll solve other equations later on as well using the t formula, and because it's not the only type of equations we can solve with the t formula.